Okay, so I'm still alive, but let's not push it because someone is still unimpressed with me from my last video. And let's check out today's excuse. I don't have time to exercise. Come on, are you serious? You have time. We all have time. You are just choosing to prioritize other areas and activities in your life, which is okay. Sometimes we need to. However, typically, all we need to do to overcome this no time excuse is to evaluate what you are currently doing and minimize time on the least important things in your life, and then making time to exercise. And remember, if you are actually short on time, because a lot of people legitimately are, you don't have to exercise for hours on end. You can do a quick 10 to 15 minute workout and still achieve incredible benefits from it